The Roborock Dyad Pro Combo vacuum is a versatile 5-in-1 cordless vacuum designed for multi-surface cleaning, capable of handling both wet and dry messes effortlessly. This vacuum's DyadPower technology uses multi-rollers that rotate in opposite directions, ensuring no dirt is left behind and effectively eliminating both dry and wet messes in one go. Its unique edge-to-edge cleaning capability, achieved through a combination of a full-length front roller and 2 rear rollers, ensures thorough cleaning even along wall edges. The self-cleaning and drying system of the Dyad Pro Combo automatically transforms dirty rollers to clean ones and uses real hot air to dry the brushes, preventing any unpleasant odors. Equipped with the DirTect Smart Sensor, this vacuum adapts its cleaning power and water distribution based on real-time floor dirt analysis, making cleaning more efficient. The integrated on-screen LED display provides real-time information on where the dirt is located, allowing users to focus their cleaning efforts precisely where needed.